Here is everything that matters in AI today. June 25th, 2026, big moves, new tools, and the updates you actually need to know. Let's get into it. Google has integrated computer use directly into Gemini 3.5 Flash, enabling the model to operate computers, browsers, and mobile devices autonomously, scoring 78.4 on the OS World benchmark, on par with GPT 5.5. The Tool Scout verdict. This is a genuine game changer, not just hype. The hidden implication is a fundamental shift from AI as an assistant to AI as an executor, automating entire workflows. Who truly gains? Developers building agentic applications and businesses looking for extreme efficiency. Who loses? Anyone whose job involves repetitive digital tasks. What this means for your workflow right now. Start identifying your most tedious digital processes. This is where agentic AI will first provide massive leverage. This development strongly pushes the democratization of AI, moving towards a future where complex digital tasks are accessible through natural language, regardless of technical skill. A Washington Post investigation reveals that most major AI chatbots, including OpenAI's GPT 5.5 and even Musk's anti-woke Grok, still lean left on political questions, with Google's Gemini being a notable outlier. The Tool Scout verdict. This is a significant finding that exposes a critical bias, not just an academic observation. The hidden implication is that these models, despite claims of neutrality, are embedding a specific worldview, subtly influencing public discourse, and potentially reinforcing echo chambers. Who gains? Perhaps those whose views align with the embedded bias. Who loses? Anyone seeking truly neutral information or diverse perspectives. What this means for your workflow right now. Critically evaluate chatbot responses, especially on sensitive topics, and cross-reference with multiple sources. This highlights a major challenge in the open source versus closed race, where proprietary models' internal biases are opaque, emphasizing the need for robust ethical AI development and transparency. Adobe has acquired Topaz Labs, a company known for its image and video enhancement tools, with plans to integrate these tools across its existing applications. The Tool Scout verdict. This is a smart strategic move, not just another acquisition. The hidden implication is Adobe solidifying its dominance in creative software by absorbing best-in-class AI-powered enhancement, making it harder for competitors to catch up. Who gains? Adobe, by enhancing its ecosystem and locking in more users. Existing Topaz users gain seamless integration, but potentially lose standalone innovation. Who loses? Smaller competitors trying to innovate in this space. What this means for your workflow right now. Expect more powerful, integrated AI-driven enhancement features in your Adobe suite, potentially streamlining your post-production process. This acquisition underscores the ongoing arms race in creative AI, where established players are buying up specialized AI capabilities to maintain market leadership. Despite ChatGPT's commanding market lead, data shows that consumers who pay for AI have been increasingly choosing Anthropic's Claude. The Tool Scout verdict. This is a significant shift in market preference, not just a blip. The hidden implication is that users are valuing different AI attributes. Perhaps Claude's reputation for ethical alignment, longer context windows, or specific conversational style, over ChatGPT's ubiquity. Who gains? Anthropic, by carving out a lucrative niche and users seeking alternatives to OpenAI. Who loses? OpenAI, if they don't adapt to these user preferences. What this means for your workflow right now. If you're paying for an AI, reevaluate your options. Claude might offer features or a user experience that better suits your needs. This trend highlights the intensifying competition in the closed-source AI market, pushing for differentiation beyond raw capability into areas like ethical design and user experience. Deep Reinforce released Ornith-1.0, an open-source coding model family built on Gemini and Gemini 3.5, which uniquely learns its own scaffold during reinforcement learning, achieving 82.4 on SWE Bench Verified with all weights under the MIT license. The Tool Scout Verdict. This is a genuine breakthrough in agentic AI development, not just another model release. The hidden implication is a leap towards truly autonomous AI agents that can adapt and optimize their own learning processes for complex tasks like software development. Who gains? Open-source developers and researchers, as this model provides a powerful, transparent foundation. Who loses? Proprietary models that rely on fixed architectures may struggle to keep up with this self-optimizing approach. What this means for your workflow right now. For developers, explore Ornith-1.0 for advanced code generation and testing, especially in reinforcement learning contexts. This is a massive win for the open-source AI community, pushing the boundaries of agentic workflows and self-improving AI. General Intuition has raised $320 million betting that training AI on millions of hours of gameplay can help agents develop something closer to human intuition for real-world tasks. The Tool Scout Verdict. This is a high-stakes gamble with potential, not just speculative hype. The hidden implication is that the rich, dynamic environments of video games offer a scalable, safe sandbox for AI to learn complex decision-making far beyond what static datasets provide. Who gains? Potentially companies seeking highly adaptable AI for robotics, logistics, or simulation. Who loses? Those who underestimate the complexity of transferring game-learned intuition to messy, real-world scenarios. What this means for your workflow right now. If your strategy involves training AI for complex, dynamic environments, consider how simulated data, like from games, could accelerate learning. This is a fascinating avenue for agentic workflows, leveraging virtual worlds to build more robust and intuitive AI. Databricks' former AI chief believes he can cut AI's power bill by 1000x with Anthr, an image generation system demonstrating how the company's technology can replicate conventional AI systems with vastly reduced energy consumption. The Tool Scout Verdict. If proven at scale, this is a revolutionary breakthrough, not just an incremental improvement. The hidden implication is a potential paradigm shift in sustainable AI, making advanced models accessible to more developers and reducing the environmental footprint of AI training and inference. Who gains? Everyone, from individual researchers to large corporations and the planet. Who loses? Current energy-intensive AI infrastructure providers if they can't adapt. What this means for your workflow right now. Keep a close eye on Anthr's progress. It could drastically alter the economics of AI development and deployment, making previously cost-prohibitive projects feasible. This directly addresses regulatory pressure on AI's energy consumption and pushes towards more democratized access to powerful models. This year, FIFA is providing an AI agent that any World Cup team can use, sparking a race for AI dominance among teams. The Tool Scout Verdict. This is a fascinating experiment in AI democratization, but also a potential widening of the competitive gap, not a guaranteed leveling of the playing field. The hidden implication is that while basic AI access is provided, the teams with the best data scientists and strategists will still leverage it most effectively, turning it into an AI arms race. Who gains? Teams with the talent to interpret and act on AI insights. Who loses? Teams that lack the human expertise to integrate AI effectively. What this means for your workflow right now. In any competitive field, simply having a tool isn't enough. The ability to strategically integrate and interpret its outputs is paramount. This is a real-world example of the democratization of AI meeting the reality of strategic advantage. Meta is reviving Facebook's Creator Studio as a standalone AI companion app, aiming to help creators connect with audiences and grow on Facebook through AI assistance. The Tool Scout verdict. This is a defensive move to retain creators, not a revolutionary AI offering. The hidden implication is Meta struggling to keep creators engaged on its platform, using AI as a new carrot. It's more about platform lock-in than genuine AI innovation. Who gains? Potentially creators who are already heavily invested in the Meta ecosystem. Who loses? Creators seeking truly platform-agnostic AI tools, or those who don't want to deepen their reliance on Meta. What this means for your workflow right now. If you're a Meta creator, this might offer some convenience, but don't expect a silver bullet for growth. Diversify your strategy beyond a single platform's AI companion. This is Meta's play in the closed-source AI race, attempting to leverage AI to bolster its own ecosystem. Baidu has open-sourced Unlimited OCR, a 3B parameter MOE model that parses dozens of document pages in a single forward pass, maintaining a flat KV cache for long documents using reference sliding window attention. The Tool Scout verdict. This is a significant technical advancement for long context processing, not just another OCR model. The hidden implication is a breakthrough in memory efficiency for large language models, making long document understanding far more practical and scalable. Who gains? Developers working with extensive textual data, legal, medical, or research fields. Who loses? Less efficient long context models that struggle with memory and latency. What this means for your workflow right now. If your work involves processing multi-page documents, investigate Unlimited OCR. It could dramatically improve efficiency and accuracy. This is a crucial development in the open-source AI landscape, directly impacting agentic workflows that require processing vast amounts of information. That is your AI update for today. Which story surprised you most? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if this kept you in the loop, subscribe and turn on notifications because I do this every single day. See you tomorrow.